Understanding the phrase, pitch in, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore. Pitch in. This phrase is widely used in everyday English and can be a little confusing for learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it correctly. Pitch in is a phrasal verb, which means it's a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb, altering its original meaning. When we say, pitch in, we're usually referring to contributing or helping out in a task or situation. It's often used when talking about group efforts or collaborative tasks. To really grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work environment, we all need to pitch in to meet the project deadline. This means everyone needs to contribute their efforts to complete the project on time. 2. In a social gathering, everyone pitched in to clean up after the party. Here, it means that all guests helped with the cleaning. 3. In a family setting, I'll pitch in with the cooking for tonight's dinner. This implies offering help in preparing the meal. It's important to note that pitch in is often used in a positive context and implies voluntary participation. A common mistake is confusing pitch in with chip in. While they can be similar, chip in is more often used in the context of contributing money. Now that you understand the phrase, try to use it in your daily conversations. You can say things like, let's all pitch in to make this event successful, or, I'll pitch in with the chores this weekend. It's a great way to express your willingness to help and cooperate with others. That's it for our exploration of the phrase, pitch in. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is key to mastering them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.